VIVO Y66, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings, scroll down, and here we need to find and select more settings. Then let's scroll down again and choose here the backup and reset right here. From backup and reset, let's choose restore all settings. So this operation will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted, so it's good to know. Let's just tap reset settings, and the device is restoring the default settings. So let's just wait a couple of seconds until the operation will be completed. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.